Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So on this occasion, right now I will tell you guys about line follower with microbit. And then this is the IT project presentation. Okay, so before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Haidar Wilfaqih. I'm from 7C class, especially 7th grade, especially on 7C class. Right now, as I said before, I will explain about line follower with a microbit. So, what the main component of the microbit of this line follower? Okay, so the main component there is microbit for the microcontroller or the brain. So this is microbit for the brain, and then there is a tiny bit for a robot. So this is a tiny bit for the robot, and there's a infrared sensor or IR sensor, and last one is DC motor. Okay, so if microbit get here, it will be the microcontroller and the robot will become one. So let's do next slide. What the goal of this project, line follower? Okay, so the goal is the tiny bit follow a black line, and the next one is no manual control needed. So we just coding again, and then the robot is move around the black line. So how it works, how the line follower works. So the IR sensor, the infrared sensor, detects dark and light surface, and then the black line is like less like reflection, and the white surface is more like reflection. So the IR sensor will be bounce the reflection and then will be catch with IR sensor, and then the sensor send data to microbit, and motor moves based on the programming logic. So if the programming logic not same with the track, it will be error the tiny bit or the robot. The robot movements. Okay, so the robot movements is move forward if the line or the black line is just in center, and then turn left when the line is moved to the left, and turn right if line moves to the right. So the challenge is the sensor is not accurate and need to adjust code and motor speed. That is so hard to adjust code and motor speed, and then the sensor not accurate. Maybe the sensor not so accurate not like other robot, and then the robot speed is too fast. This is the third challenge. It will be hard if the robot speed too fast, and then we have to adjust the code and motor speed again. So what I learned here, what I learned on the line follower microbit. So the first one is basic robotic system, like the basic one for forward, left or right, and the second one is sensor and motor control. So the sensor is here and the black line here, so it will become following the tiny bit. The next one is logical thinking. If we cannot use a logical thinking on this project, the project will not get finished. And the third one is problem solving. So on this project, there is problem the track, and we have to patient if we want to finish the track. And then the next one is how hardware and the software work together. So the hardware is this microbit and the tiny bit, and the software is the application for the coding. So yeah. Next one. Okay. Maybe that is from me. But before that, I will ask a question. Who want ask here? Please raise your hand. What, Malik? Yes, the micro bit and the tiny bit is for learning, not for the competition. So just for the learning. And then Hilmi? No? There's again want to ask question? There's no? So maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have a mistake. Last word I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.